this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Grand Seiko SBGK009. Now first I'd like to remind you that we're here at JB Hudson Jewelers in Minneapolis, Minnesota, taking a look at this watch, which is available brand new for a price of $7,700, as JB Hudson is an authorized retailer of Grand Seiko, as well as many other premium luxury brands. So now let's jump right into this piece. So this watch comes in a stainless steel case that has a diameter of 39 millimeters. It's a very well-sized case. It's kind of a sporty slash dressy watch. I would say it has kind of a vintage look to it, meaning it looks like an old sports watch, which could technically be classified as a new dress watch. So given that styles have kind of changed. I really like this watch. It's actually quite interesting for a Grand Seiko. It's manually wound, so it's not spring drive. And you can see the movement is beautifully finished on that case back. Sorry, there's a little bit of a sticker above the movement there, but it's got wonderful Côte de Genève, and I'm sure Grand Seiko probably calls that something different, given that they're Japanese, and they have a lot of specific finishing methods that are unique to them that give their watches a little bit of a unique look and luster. Overall, I really love the design of this piece. I really like the bracelet, actually. I was quite impressed. Originally, when I saw this watch, I thought that the bracelet might kind of be a little bit flimsy, just given how thin it is. But actually, it's very, very strong, and it feels as if it was just built more like a tank than it looks, to be honest. Additionally, the clasp is very nicely made. It kind of has a pressed metal sort of feel to it, but the actual clasp part is solid. It feels very, very nice. No complaints there at all. I really like the dial on this piece as well. It's very minimalist, but again, you have that power reserve, and that keeps track of a 72-hour power reserve on the movement, so it's approximately 3 days. That's very, very impressive for this watch, given that, again, it's manually wound. And you need a big power reserve for a manually wound watch because, again, you can't put it in a watch winder. You have to actually wind it every 3 days. So, again, I really like this piece. I'll try it on for a wrist shot now. Okay. So as you can see, the 39 millimeter case fits my wrist very nicely. I've got about 6.5 inch wrist in circumference, just for comparison purposes. I think it looks quite nice. It's very comfortable with that bracelet, with all the different links it has and all that. I really like that. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.